Don't do it.
오진다.
Oh, don't slap it! Ah! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is the Odditty. I decided that today is a beautiful day to react to some mukbangs. Disgusting mukbangs. Let's get into the video. Oh. Girl. The amount of break. My thing is, why is she popping it back out? Like, just fully, if you're gonna go for it, just go for it. Plus, the brain freeze she has to have has to be insane. Has to be insane. And why is she moaning like that? It's like, girl. No. You have an industrial sized ice cream scoop. I love ice cream though. But you know what's funny? I don't know if y'all do this. Nobody does this except for me. So I don't know why I started that way. I don't know if y'all do this. But when I have ice cream cold, I love the waffle. But like, I'm not a big, like, I could eat 5 layers of ice cream. I'm not that type of gal. What I do though is pretty strange. Should I tell y'all? I just tell them to give me like half a scoop so I can finish it quickly so it doesn't like make the waffle soggy, and then I just eat the waffle. Or I just buy an ice cream ball and then buy a waffle separately and pay the extra and then just put the waffle on top of the ice cream and then eat it all together. Is that strange? I don't know, but I like it. Girl, the brain freeze. Don't. It's like, you know that animal? No, I don't want to compare her to an animal. But you know that like animal that like just eats and like regurgitates? Oh, come on, ma'am. You're wasting the waffle. All that waffle on the floor. There's no way. You could have just waited. Is this for the content? It's for the content, isn't it? Are you gonna eat money? No. I don't know what's going on. What does this mean? Food coupon. Oh shoot. How much food are they gonna get? Okay, pause. Is that real? That's not a real thing. That's not a real thing. Are they eating the paper? Is that paper or an actual, like... Come on, Jerry. Come on, Jerry. It can't just be for the content. Jerry. No. These disgust me. I don't like eggs. Don't do it. Oh, don't slap it! Ah! No. I need to smell a candle. No, because I definitely feel like a candle with eggs. She's still going. No. Oh, you guys, she's eating it. Why is she eating it? Why? No. Oh, baby. No. You're tired. Your eyes are red. Oh, now you want to breathe? Her lips are so small. It's like a little suction. That's all she's doing is suctioning. Oh, if she drinks the whole thing, I swear I'm gonna cry. Y'all are watching this with me, so I feel like I don't feel as bad because at least you have to watch this if I'm watching it. Look at that. Do you know this are like 20 eggs? She's gonna shit. She is going to shit her brains out. Have a lot of protein. I can't even. That's salmonella, babes. That's a lot of salmonella. She didn't wash those. Ooh, that's a lot of chickens that had to die. Don't do it, babes. No. Stop it right now. No. She bounced. Jesus. Oh, this is painful for me to watch. I can't watch that. I can't watch her right now. I'm not even joking. I just hear the sounds right now. I just hear. Is she done? Like, look at her. Look. Come on. No, that's insane. That is actually insane. Flag on play. Babe. 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 No, baby. No. It's too much. This is too much. Because at this point, she's doing a lot. Drop it. Put it down. Put it down. You've tried. Oh, now you want to wipe your lips? Oh, that chicken doesn't look good. Is it spicy? Is that why? Is she crying? Or is there water on her face? Hey. Yo. Why? For the content? That chicken. Oh. I think for me it's the sounds.
와, 불닭볶음면이랑 너무 잘 어울려.
That's all I hear. That's all I'm hearing. At least she's drinking water while she does the nonsense. Babe, if food can be that good, and that's a big ass egg in front of that too. Put it down. Put it down. Oh my goodness.
와, 맛있어, 맛있어. 와, 미고네. 너무 맛있어. 여기에 김치 얹어서.
No. It's okay. God, thank you.
He say that I'm good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't.
I'll be back with Deborah.
So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me cause he
Deborah, stop it.
And it been what it been.
Babe.
His phone like he'll send me
Babe.
a ducking my shit
Now.
cause he know what I'm on.
I wanna whoop her
I'm not
ass.
gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
How are you gonna eat all of that? I wanna know. How are you gonna eat all of that? Look at her looking at me. Knowing fully well I'm judging her. Better not. She was gonna eat the whole thing in one go. Don't do that. Oh God, at least she didn't finish it. What is going on? Should I do mukbangs, you guys? Like slurp like that? So I feel like, girl, it's not that good. Those clams? What is that? It can't be that good. Is that a live? That looks like a dinosaur. That looks like a Trigonosaurus. I see the pain in your eyes, baby. That's not good. Why is it taking you that long to chew it? What is this? Is that milk? Why is his jawline like it? Does it do competitive eating? Is that why? Fuck, man. Oh, it's ice cream. What is the obsession with eating frozen things in large quantities like this? Somebody explain, baby. Your teeth are destroyed. Open your teeth. Let me see. Open your mouth. Is the milk supposed to help? I just want to see what their teeth look like. Because I can't take a bite of anything and not feel like my teeth frozen and hurting. But for people to be eating back to back ice cream and not shaking or stirring is insane to me. you know what it takes in your bowels to eat McDonald's, this much McDonald's? Do you know what has to be in your bowels?
I want to try this with ranch because I've never tried it with ranch.
Okay. She seems normal. Oh, is that lobster?
No, we have a winner.
Is that lobster? Like deep fried
That's
lobster?
fire. Oh my god.
What is that? It looks like lobster tail.
Right?
Or crab? My face through this all is very stressed. Okay. That's a lot of powder. Oh. Okay. That's a lot of seasoning. That's a lot of pepper. That's a lot of lemon. That's a lot of things, period. My thing is why? Oh, that's an octopus! Okay. I'm trying to respect cultures here. Okay. Okay, baby. That face does not look like someone who's enjoying it. Like, why are you eating and your face is frowning? I've never understood that. I swear I wish y'all could see. I have goosebumps from the trauma I'm experiencing right now. Damn, that octopus died so she could do this. That's a squid. That's not an octopus. I know my animals, girl. God damn. God damn it. God damn it. Y'all, this is too much. Oh my gosh, she's still going. Look at her eyes. No. Bull freaking shit. There's no way. There's no way that woman was enjoying that. I call it lie. What? Come on. How do y'all eat all of this? Not the assistant with the scissors. She has an assistant with scissors to help her. What did the poor octopus? Is it alive? Oh! See, I love a good calamari, but I don't know about that. I don't know about that. No, not her again. Chicken, pepper, pig. Chicken, pepper, pig, celery, chocolate. It's usually no. And you know what's crazy? It's usually in the eyes. Like when the people in the mukbangs are like, "Oh yeah, I effed up," it's usually in their eyes. Is that a? No one's forcing her to though. No, baby, it's in your eyes. I can tell you're unhappy with what you're eating. I can tell. Like come on. Let's be serious here. Not the celery as the spoon. No, blink 50 times if you need to be saved. I'm so judging. I'm so sorry. I am absolutely judging. Stop it right now. Put it down. Stop chewing. Babe, I need to find her handle just to tell her it's enough is enough. What is this? Did she hiss at the meat? I can't. It's all over. It's all over. Y'all, this is too much. Are these necessary? I feel like this is my petition to cancel mukbangs. I've never done a mukbang before, and I really don't think I will because of this. What? I'm mean. I want to fight her. Girl. I want to fight her. Absolutely. No. 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 That's the end for me. No. 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 No, Jerry. First of all, Jerry was eating money. Now Jerry wants to eat soap. I absolutely refuse to watch anything else. Oh my god, I feel so like annoyed. Be honest, be honest. Let me know in those videos which one, put the time code, what food would you say, let me try that. Because for me, I think I'm not gonna go past the girl with the ice cream where I can slurp the whole ice cream, because I feel like brain freeze would pass. Everything else after that, it just went downhill from there. It just went downhill from there. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.